Ours is beautiful. This deserves to be called small.
Are you cutting as low as you can?
Yes, no, kind of.
Yeah, whatever you want to do.
What do you mean? Why are you coming out short?
Oh. Riley, move it. Okay.
Well, you guys might be getting a little bit of wind noise here, but we came and finally decided to do some Christmas tree shopping. And the girls are really excited about this tree. I mean, there's real trees all around, but for some reason they like this little fella, so.
It is a real tree.
I mean, it is real, but it's also 3'8". But I'm also okay with it. If this is a tree they want, it's a little less ornaments I have to buy, so cut away. I'm gonna have to fast forward this because it's taking forever.
No, we're almost there, kind of halfway.
I only need one strand of lights this year.
Oh yeah. Okay, we're like 3/4 of the way there. Kind of.
If you do longer strokes, it'll be faster.
I don't know what that means. Can I go all the way?
Yeah, like longer ones like that. Keep going.
My back hurts.
You're almost there. You're doing great.
Yeah, we're almost there.
Keep going. You're doing great.
I call dragging it. I don't care.
Keep going.
I can't. Oh yeah, we're almost done. Oh. We're not there.
Keep going.
Oh, just pull
Like
down.
3 or 4 more passes, it'll go.
Wait, pull. Oh yeah. Oh.
Right on Riley's head. All right, well, let's get our tree home. Alrighty, guys. Well, like I said before, you are probably going to get a little bit of wind noise this video, and it's obviously going to explain what you guys are actually here for. A bunch of questions down below. But yes, we still got the F450. We'll get to that. But before you know, obviously, we get into the video that you guys are asking about, we got to actually talk about the OBS giveaway, because at this point, before you guys see this, right now you have 36 hours to enter to win this OBS truck, which is absolutely killer. You can see we've redid everything. Everything since it's been redone has less than 250 miles on it. The thing runs and drives absolutely great. So if you guys are seeing this right now, you have 36 hours yet to see it. December 16th is the actual ending of the giveaway date, which is Monday, December 16th, 2019 at 11:59 p.m. So if you guys see this, Final 5 is the promo code that you use. You get five times the entries, 5% off, and free shipping, guys. Sorry about the wind noise. It's freaking windy out here. It's been windy the last couple days, rainy. It's been absolutely terrible the last week here in Pennsylvania, but you will win this truck. Head on over www.senditstevemerch.com, like you see on the channel, and get your entries, guys. Again, Final 5, the last 5 days we did 5 times the entries, 5% off, and free shipping. So definitely go get entered to win that truck. You're gonna see a video coming out this week of the interior, everything that you guys have been asking about. It will be all done this week, so definitely get your entries while you can. Less than 36 hours. Head on over www.senditstevemerch.com. Well, not the again, but www.senditstevemerch.com. Get your entries to win this OBS Chevy. Runs and drives fantastic. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna miss it. The driveway is absolutely getting bare. The other thing, a bunch of people were asking if I would sell the Mustang. I probably would sell the Mustang. I don't know, drop me a comment or anything, or Patrick, if you're seeing this, maybe I'll send you a DM before I say anything, but you're welcome to buy the car back. As of now, it runs and drives, has no issues that I know of. Thing actually drives fantastic. So with that being said, let's get into the beans and the potatoes of the video. Let's go. Alrighty, guys, well, we are into talking about the Jeep. Sorry for getting a little wind noise. That is part of owning a Jeep. But yes, you guys have seen it in the background. You've seen it now for probably the last 3 or 4 months. We have a Jeep for the channel. Is it brand new anymore? No, not at all. Did I want to make a video of it at first? I kind of did, but I kind of didn't. This was sort of something that I knew that I could just kind of jump in, go do what I got to do, and come home. It's definitely quiet, it's smooth, it's relaxing. I can let my hands off, talk to you guys. I don't need hands to drive this vehicle, don't need my legs, don't need nothing. You just drive. So it's definitely nice to have something that you can jump in and drive. Now we're going to get into, are we going to modify it? 100%, guys. You guys know me, we are going to modify it. Now, some of the builds that I have on the channel, as you guys do know, they get kind of extreme, they kind of get out of hand. This is not going to be a build that gets out of hand. It's not going to be an extreme build. It's not going to be anything crazy. This is 100% going to be a mild build, guys. And by mild build, I do say we're going to probably do a 2 or 3 inch rough country lift. As you guys do know, rough country is part of the team. I got to turn the heated steering wheel off and the butt warmer because now it's officially getting warm in here. But yes, we are going to do a mild build. 33, 35s, I'm not sure 100% yet. So we are working on getting a set of wheels for the vehicle. Obviously, we're going to give our buddies over there at Rough Country a call, talk about the lift kit with them. As far as whether we're going to do just a mild lift, if it's going to be an actual full suspension lift, I don't know. I got to talk to Rough Country and see what they recommend for it. Because like I said, well, I didn't say it yet, but this is going to end up being a mall crawler, guys. It's not going to be anything that goes off-roading. You will never see me do a video of this off-roading. You'll see the lift kit videos, you'll see the wheels and tire videos, you'll see videos, that lead up to that, but you will not actually see this thing off-roading or doing anything crazy. This is 100% going to just be a reliable vehicle just to drive. So I got to get used to that start-stop feature. It absolutely drives me insane. So some of you guys are wondering what it is. It is a 2019 Jeep Unlimited Sport. It's just a basic Jeep. It's just something to drive in. The roofs do come off. As you do know, this is a half roof, that is a half roof, and then the hardtop will come off in the summertime. So another thing that we plan on doing is going to end up being half doors. For the summertime, we're going to get the half doors for it, so there'll be tubular doors and bumpers and everything like that. And we're just going to kind of basically enjoy it. The kids absolutely love this thing. I'm kind of glad that, it's around for the kids. They super enjoy it. They kind of were getting tired of the Suburban. The Suburban's real big. It's kind of hard to get in and out of. So if you didn't see yesterday's video, we did end up selling the Urban Bourbon, but it will stay on the channel, guys. You are going to see it. My buddy Holden bought it, and we're still going to do some modifications to it. So what more can I say? Bumpers probably, definitely a lift, wheels and tires, half doors, and that's basically going to be about it. It's not going to be anything crazy. It won't be the biggest, baddest Jeep you see out there, but it will be, recognizable. It will stand out. The other thing we're going to do, I had it scheduled to get the windows tinted, but it's been kind of crappy weather, and I just didn't feel like doing much. When it rains, it just kind of is, it's kind of a letdown. That's why you haven't seen too many videos from me, guys. So I do apologize about that, but we are going to come back with the content, and it's going to come back strong. I wanted to also answer a couple more questions. This is a raw and uncut video too, guys. You're not going to see any edits or anything like that, except for the panos, the slow-mos, and things like that. But everybody keeps asking about the shop, guys. Yes, I do still have the shop. The shop is 100% full. I have the Bruce in there. I have the Corvette in there. I have the Trans Am in there, which another vehicle. That is going to be kicking off very, very soon, guys. Everybody keeps asking about the GTA project, so I'm kicking out all my other projects. We're going to get that GTA project done, and that project's going to, happen a lot sooner than I actually wanted to. I'm kind of, I wouldn't say I'm tired of hearing about it, but you guys always ask about it. You guys always think I'm procrastinating this and that, which, yes, I was procrastinating on that build, but it's going to get done, and it's going to get done, in a timely manner now. So I'm looking for somebody to do paint and body work to that, because we're going to do a complete refresh of it, repaint. Once the paint and body work's done, I'll actually have, all I need right now is a transmission, and I've been talking to a couple companies. I'm gonna just do a tubular front K-member for that, and just get everything knocked out, refreshed. The only other thing we'll do later on down the road will be a rear end for it. So it is gonna be the LS2, yada yada yada. I'm not gonna talk about that. We're here to talk about the Jeep. But yeah, the Trans Am build is gonna start, guys, and it's gonna start rather quickly. So there you guys have it. We do have a Jeep on the channel. Sorry I've been hiding it from you. I didn't really think I was gonna hide it from you as long as I have, but I ended up doing it, and just kind of a peaceful vehicle. You guys never knew about it. I drove around all the time. People weren't beeping at me, honking at me, driving down the road, which is cool, guys. I do appreciate that, especially in the F450. Like, that's the truck that, you know, when I'm out and about and people talk about, I really enjoy, the kids really enjoy. So when you see the F450, stop and say hi, give us a thumbs up, really talk about that. But yeah, the Jeep's gonna be a mild build, guys, something that just kind of, you know, hangs out for the channel. So there you guys have it. Jeep's coming to the channel, lifting all that. Look for it towards the end of March. And, you know, we're just gonna enjoy it for right now, for the time being. Get some mileage on it, and just like I said, really enjoy it. We're gonna wait till after Christmas, get through Christmas with the kids and family and everything, and then we'll start knocking into this project. So there you guys have it. If you like the content, please smash that like button, please subscribe, and do not forget, guys, less than 2 days, less than 36 hours from when you see this video, it'll probably be, you know, 30 hours till you see it, or 28 hours, something along those lines. But the giveaway, it ends literally December 16th, Monday, December 16th at midnight. The giveaway is over. The OBS is done deal. You can't win it anymore after that. So go get your entries in. Don't forget, Final 5 is the promo code, as you've seen on the screen earlier and you see right now. www.senditstevemerch.com. 5 times the entries, 5% off. Free shipping all throughout. Buy 100 things, it's all free shipping, guys. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. www.senditstevemerch.com. I'm out.